I actually started this accidentally. We were just flipping our own houses, and a cousin of mine was desperate to get into the real estate business, and he actually reached out to me and was asking, hey, teach me what you're doing. I want to get into the housing market, but I don't know anything. And I thought well, okay, I'll show you a few tips in what we did and some of the hurdles that we had to overcome. And actually, we documented heavily mistakes. This was something that was very important in our own growth and development, doing flipping houses, because we kept running into hurdles and problems that were difficult to overcome. But then we realized for the next property, hey, let's make sure to avoid this. Let's make sure to skip out on this step, or let's be smarter about it this round. And little to know, you kind of develop your own mental black book of things not to do and to avoid. And it helps you get better and smarter each round. And all we're doing is sharing this information with you. Relationships are the life and blood of our business. So if I know a realtor or an attorney or a title company or a contractor or a handyman or a plumber or an electrician or an engineer, these resources we like to pass on to you. So you as a beginner, when you're starting out right out of the gate, you get this benefit that fast tracks you on your own journey, because we want you to be successful too. So if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you visit us. Click the link below to schedule a one-on-one appointment with me. I'd love to meet you, talk to you, and discuss with you real-time information, very transparent, but also non-sales pressury. We're not going to offer you something at the end. This is something that you can kind of get all the information that you need so that you can make an educated decision for yourself and get into the business. And it's a good time. Look forward to seeing you. Just click the link below or visit us at trueinvestmentpartners.com.